How about a fund that reflects the strength of sovereign, AA+ and above rated bonds? Nippon India Corporate Bond Fund invests primarily in AAA rated corporate and sovereign bonds over a medium-term horizon. The fund could be a suitable choice if you're looking for low credit risk, high liquidity, and a diverse mix of investments largely in sovereign and corporate bonds. Moreover, it allows you to defer taxation till you redeem. Our current investment philosophy focuses on sovereign instruments, AAA-rated bonds, balanced risk appetite, and investments adjusted for credit quality, liquidity, and interest rate scenarios to keep your investments on track. So, are you ready to invest in a fund built to earn your trust? Start with the Nippon India Corporate Bond Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.